I've held promises with loose fingers, shook when a deal wasn't done. I've had my fair share of the hard luck. I never finished number one, and I've been so damn down to the bottom I couldn't tell which way was up. But I've never stayed inside the mushroom mines after dusk. And I've rode side by side with the devil, going 90 in a 55. When them blue lights started flashing, I can't say Smokey was on my side. And I've been broadside in a tornado with boots made of steel, but I never ran inside the mines. When you can hear the whippoorwill, it's a mad dot, or at least it was back in the day. Now it holds groundwater about waist high and walls covered in spray paint. I never listened well growing up, never seen anything first sight. But the mines is a different story, or at least it is after night. And I've lit my last match in my pocket just because I was bored in a blizzard in the middle of nowhere, without any care in the world. And I've gambled half of my life away, and I've got nothing left to show. But I will never lose a bet to go in there, 'cause I will always fall. It's a map dot, or at least it was back in the day. Now it holds groundwater about waist high, walls covered in spray paint. I never listened well growing up, never seen anything first sight. But the mines is a different story, or at least it is after night.